Okay, here we are. That is the house where we were before. Okay, and now we're going to show you the annex where the tractor is and all the farm utensils. Also below here, lower on the lower floor on the other side, there is the wine cellar because they produce wine here, red and white wine. And this is the other building, plus the annex over there. Okay, now let's go. The other building, this building is about 300 square meters large, and it has 3 apartments. Here we go down the stairs towards this beautiful old farmhouse. You'll see, I'll show you the first apartment here on the ground floor. Everything is still in winter position, as you can see. It's January now, so there are no guests, and all the furniture, the outdoor furniture has been put inside, but still it gives you a good impression on how the building is. This is an old cellar, very fresh, with this beautiful arch, very fresh in summertime. It's the best, the freshest, the coolest bedroom of the whole agriturismo, the owner told me. Okay, here we go up the stairs, and then over here we have a bathroom, a proper bathroom with a tub, and a nice large bedroom, okay, with views onto the landscape and the farm building next door. Okay, so this is one apartment. I'll just go down again. Okay, fireplace, nice sitting area, and okay, here we go up the stairs to what used to be the farmer's house on the first floor. Nice views. There is a nice oak tree here, and here we enter the entrance, main entrance here. There is a bathroom, a large bedroom, another bedroom with 2 single beds, and here is the old, huge sitting room, kitchen, dining room, where the farmers used to sit with this original, authentic, huge fireplace, and they used to sit on either side of the fire to get warm and to cook. That's what the farmers in this area lived like. Beautiful. And the downstairs, the stables with the cattle downstairs would heat the floor from underneath when there still was no floor heating on the floor heating. So this is a kitchen, small kitchenette, a large sitting room under the roof, beautiful beams, and very authentic. All the old doors are still in the same way. Okay, and then we go to the third apartment downstairs. Okay, this is the annex. Yeah, maybe I'll show it now to you. Okay, so the annex is over here. This used to be a stable, probably a pigsty in the past, and it's perfect to turn these little stables into an independent cottage. As you can see, there is a kitchen, a fireplace, a sitting area, a very nice bedroom, another bedroom. Most apartments have 2 bedrooms and a toilet and a shower. Okay, so now we go and see the last apartment on the ground floor. Let me just cross the land here. So we've seen that one over there on the ground floor, the big apartment on the first floor, and did we see this one already? I forgot. I get mixed up. No, we didn't. This is a beautiful, this is really where the stables used to be. You can see those big arches. This is where the cattle used to stay with the troughs on either sides. And here they put a small kitchenette, kitchen corner in this area. One arch, a fireplace they put in. All these cushions are benches in summertime, of course. All the chairs are put down, as you can expect. And so you can imagine how it could be like to be here with a big group of people and enjoy and have nice dinners and have fun. This is a small bedroom down here on the side, and here is the another bedroom. No, not a bedroom. This is the bathroom. Hello. I'm just learning. This is the first time I'm in this property, of course, for me too, so I'm still learning to find my way. Here we are. And on the first floor, here we go. We have another bathroom with a tub and a bedroom, a large bedroom. Okay. And another one, a huge bedroom with beautiful views. Here, just let me show you the view over here. Here is some carports. The land, the field over there belongs to it, that over there as well. It's a lovely property, and for a very good price. So for 2 big farmhouses, completely furnished, completely equipped with all the furniture and the agricultural equipment, everything. They have people who can work on the land, so you can live off 8 or 7 apartments, depending on if you want to live here as well. And it should be a perfect place to live and rent out and live in the midst of nature, and not far from the city, not far from Corciano, where all the services are, even cinemas, shopping center, shopping malls, anything you need. It's very close by, not far from the airport of Perugia, not far from Tuscany, from Lake Trasimeno. So it's really a very nice place. So if you want more information, go to our website, www.lecasadidori.com. Bye-bye.